Gonna start our vlog. This is the first one together. DIY table. Austin the doozy here broke his phone. We're gonna go get a new phone for him. Alright, so what do we want to achieve by doing this vlog?
By doing this vlog?
They call it vlogging. Video vlogging. Stone
Learn something
Age.
new every day.
He's from the Stone Age.
That keeps the wrong thing to bad things. I think we're gonna. This first one's gonna be learning experience.
Let me tell it for you. So, I think it'd be a good way to capture our memory, and I think we'll have a really good time looking back. I mean, whether it's good or not, I'm sure it depends on the amount of time we want to put in. But I think, 10, 20, not even 5 years from now, we'll look back and forget a lot of the things that we did, and this will be a really good little video memory of our lives. So, really just doing this, I think it'd be good to do it with friends and family.
You have to remember to not think your nose.
Alright, logging off for now. Bye-bye, sis. Ah. We're taking her to the wood store with us. Yeah. You want to Betty?
You have a heart of gold.
Getting and spending money.
Look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you.
Hi YouTube. What are we getting? Come on, let's go get it. Always so distracted, as usual. Wow, Halloween stuff's up. Look at that. What is a big skeleton?
Here at Home Depot, we've got professionals.
So I think we're gonna do this one here. So the trim is 1x2, or we can do thicker if we need. Okay, we better hurry and get it. Because the 2x4s we can get it pretty easily. Let's make a good piece. Honey, I'll hold Bubba, you do the easy work. Hi Bubba.
Yo.
Our car.
12 foot? No.
Yeah. So I might just have to go buy the one there. So I say we get the particle board and then get all the other stuff at the one closer to our place. Yep.
That's an option.
I gotta get Bubba.
You flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can, or just because I can.
Another day at Home Depot. Open trunk. Oh, get the view. That's the tabletop. Here's the 2x4. Here's Austin sitting very comfortably.
And I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say,
What are we having today, hon?
Take a peek.
He is cutting up some good cilantro. We made some, I don't know what you call it in English.
Stuff you ain't never seen before.
And we got some papaya salad. Some of them got kaiplo. Kaiplo แหละดีใจมากที่ออกแนวเคแล้วเราทำเสร็จแล้ว What are we doing afterwards?
Think those two.
We're gonna build a table so outside. Like, show you some. We went and got the legs and the tabletop, so now we're just gonna have to build it up. So yeah, papaya salad and the brown eggs stew. Sometime. Alright.
the moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I look you in the eyes and say,
Who's winning?
You are.
oh, I'll say,
And it sucks to be me.
I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do.